Tea ceremony is a form of meditation for people who are not good at meditation. Hint, none of us are. If you cannot find the time to meditate, you can find the time to make a cup of tea. And in that process, you can ritualize making tea into a ceremony. Simply by having presence as you pour the water into your cup. I like to name 3 gratitudes as the tea is steeping. First gratitude I name is for something that's within me, a character trait or a value or a virtue. Then the second gratitude I name is usually an appreciation for something in my immediate environment, something I had a hand in helping create, but did not create myself. The third gratitude is you want to name a gratitude for something that is beyond you, something that is cosmically run. There is a Japanese saying, ichigo, ichi-i, which translates to each moment only occurs once. That is also the whole point and purpose of tea ceremony, is to learn to become more mindful of every moment, knowing you will only be this person in this moment once in your whole existence.